12 garage sale tips that will make you money. Garage sales, advertised as community yard sales, neighborhood garage sale, or multi-family sales, tend to attract more customers because they know the number of items will be greater and more diverse. Ask around the neighborhood to see if anyone wants to join in the planning and implementation of a garage sale. The more people who are involved, the more the work can be spread out. As the saying goes in real estate, location is everything, and the same is true for a profitable garage sale. A good location is easy to find, offers plenty of parking, and has enough space for all the items you wish to sell. People who garage sale love a good bargain, and they may just try to get you to budge on your prices. Be open to bargaining, but have in mind a number that you'd like to stay above, especially for larger items. Don't feel pressured to accept any offer, but in certain cases though, it might make the difference between selling and not selling an item. Have some change available, so you can break larger bills. A good place to start is by getting 5 $10 bills, 10 $5 bills, 21 $1 bills, and a roll each of quarters, dimes, and nickels. You may also want to consider taking credit cards. Credit card processors like Square are inexpensive and perfect for the individual. You'll simply connect it to your phone and use it to swipe credit cards. Garage sales are often Saturday morning affairs, but the real garage sale fanatics know that Friday is the best time to go to yard sales. Double the number of potential customers to your sale without doubling the amount of work by holding the sales on Friday and Saturday. It's tempting to throw everything you want to sell in a messy jumble in your garage or driveway, but that doesn't make for a good experience for your shoppers. As you're going through your house to pick out what you want to sell, take the time to clean dirty items by wiping them down with a wet cloth, especially if they've been in storage. Customers who are serious about garage sales will plan out what sales they want to go to before they jump in the car, and they typically find out about these sales in advance by finding them being advertised online. Write an ad to entice shoppers, and post your yard sale websites such as Craigslist or community Facebook pages. There are some other garage sale finders apps and websites to consider getting listed on, too. If your city allows, advertise your garage sale with signs that direct people from busy intersections to your garage sale. It will encourage people driving by to stop, as well as help people who are looking for your garage sale to find it successfully. Pricing is important at a garage sale. If you price too high, the item won't sell, but if you price too low, it may not be worth your time having a garage sale. If you're unsure about pricing, check the current value online, and then price it at approximately a quarter or a third of that price. Above all, resist the urge not to affix price stickers to items. Customers won't want to ask about pricing and will instead walk away. A garage sale needs to have a good flow, just like retail spaces. Make sure that there are 1 or 2 clear paths for people to take and that they won't get stuck in any corners when other people are looking. There needs to be enough room for people to walk past each other in a way that people can look at the same items without getting in each other's way. Having your items displayed on tables will greatly increase your sales. Items are easier to see, inspect, and have the price read when they're up on table level. Put your most breakables and the most expensive items up on a table, unless they are too big. If you put items on the ground, try to put them in boxes that are easy to look through. There will be people ready to go to your garage sale before you even open. Often referred to as early birds, they will be happy waiting for your official opening time but not so happy if you open late. These are serious shoppers who are ready to spend money on your items. Not opening on time can mean missing out on a lot of extra cash. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more interesting videos. And please hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm.